Hi, this is Nikki in Japan. I just finished donating blood. It took me around 30 minutes. It's important when bloodletting to move the fingers like this so that it's easier for the blood to flow out of the body. Everything went well. I don't feel dizzy right now. I've been done for like 30 minutes now, and I got this as a freebie. This, ta-da! It's really cute. So I think these are like stationery for free. And then they also told me that if I continue on donating blood, they will keep track of it and I will get something free if I get up to the 3rd donation this year. So I'm looking forward to it because I like donating blood. It's very healthy for me and it's nice because I can help other people in need of blood. And then they also told me that in this facility they will have like schedule like activities here, like using a drone or palm reading or head massage, matcha making or wagashi making. So if I have the time, I'd probably come by here. I'll probably pass by and see what they have here in store. And most importantly, after bloodletting, they will give this coin. They gave me this coin, and this coin is the prize, because through this coin I will get some treats. So follow me and let's get some treats. I'm now standing here in front of vending machine where I can get my freebie. So the options are ice cream. They have different flavors of ice cream. I cannot read them, but I'm guessing this is matcha. It's green tea, chocolate chip, so there's English, caramel, vanilla, chocolate, pink grape, whatever. So like different flavors of ice cream. And there are also some sweets here, like chocolate, potato chips, some chips over here, bamkohen, some pastry, even waffle. That's nice. They have bamkohen, waffle. This is bread, Hokkaido something butter, cream pan, and sweet potato komachi. I don't know what that is. What will I get? So I've decided I wanted to have bamkohen. So it's really nice. It's a German pastry, if I'm not mistaken. It's really yummy. I love bamkohen. So I think I have to drop the coin here. Oops. And then I have to press the number. So there's like a lot of bamkohen here. I will get...
Which one is tasty?
I don't
Bamkohen?
know, 16. That's all. And then drop.
The blue color button.
Wait. I said 16. Yay! Bamkohen. Bamkohen. Ta-da! This one is really oishi. I love this. So I'm now done donating blood, and it's been a very nice experience here at Shinsaibashi. Aside from the fact that the ambience is really nice here, all the staff were very helpful. I had like a lot of drinks, free drinks, Kit Kat, free Kit Kat. I got my prize, bamkohen, after donating blood. Everyone was so helpful. The venue is really nice. And also, they have like freebies if you post on social media. And I did so. And I got this soap as a freebie. This is a paper soap, right? So Japanese, right? I mean, who would have thought this is soap? Right. So I've got a lot of freebies. I think they really encourage people to donate blood. I mean, it's really healthy for you if you donate blood. It's also helpful for those in need of blood. And feel free to come in here because all the staff here are helpful. It's just that for foreigners like me, you would need someone to translate for you because they want to ensure that you're safe and you're feeling well and that you can communicate if you're feeling unwell, you should be able to communicate it. So if you're willing to donate blood, if you can speak Japanese, go ahead and do so. If you cannot speak Japanese just like me, bring a friend that can translate for you. So what are you waiting for? Go to your respective blood donation center near your place and start donating.